So something interesting just happened. I'm working on a video where I get to talk about my tech journey as a YouTuber. I'm actually responding to a comment from a very long-time subscriber who asked me a question, and I felt it was best for me to use a YouTube video to respond to it. Now, as I'm working on the video, I discovered that there are some memorable things I said in the video that I just felt I needed the pictures and videos from way back to actually help you guys see the emotions I'm trying to transfer or portray in the video. Now, the truth is that I'm very sure I had these pictures before, these images before, but somewhere along the line, I lost them. It could be for so many reasons. One of them being the fact that as a tech reviewer, I'm always transferring from one smartphone to another. So when you're moving things like that, yeah, there's that tendency of losing one picture or two, one video or two, and you don't know until when you need it and you can't find them. And secondly, of recent, I just stopped paying for iCloud because 200 gigabytes is already filled up and there's still more memory that needs to be backed up, So as I'm working on the video, I wasn't really happy with the fact that I can't get to show you guys some of the things, I'm talking about in the video. But that was until I remember that not too long ago, I actually made a video for Wondershare, Dr. Phone, where I talked about their application and so many services that they render. The video was all about how you can use their app to transfer your WhatsApp messages and data from an old phone to a new one. But then I remember that apart from the whole WhatsApp data transfer, phone unlock, security and things like that, they also offer data recovery, whether it is because you mistakenly deleted a photo on your smartphone or because you stopped using iCloud like me. You can actually use their software to also recover it. So what I did was to just click on the Dr. Phone application on my Mac Mini, and as you can see, they have different services they offer, but I would click on data recovery because that is exactly what I want to use. Then I selected iOS because I'm trying to recover on my iPhone. Now at this point, you're going to see 4 options. I just selected recover data from my iCloud because once again, that is where I'm sure I saved them in. The next thing was for me to enter my iCloud email and password, after which a code was sent to my phone. Now I entered the code on my computer and selected the type of files I want to recover. Now for me, I really didn't want to recover so many. It was just photos and videos. So I deselected every other option and just left photos alone. And after analyzing everything in my phone and my iCloud, it was able to help me recover more than 4,000 of my pictures that I felt I had either lost, mistakenly deleted, or would never see again. Now, this felt really nostalgic for me. Let me show you some of the memories that it was able to help me recover. Yeah. As you can see, my iCloud is now back to 2020, and is some of the pictures that it was able to help me recover. For example, I have this one right here, which is the very first banner I created for Gadgets 101 long time ago when I was setting it up. And yeah, this was the first time that my son visited me, my new business. It's so good. Like, this was August 2020. If I scroll down a bit, I'm going to see more memorable ones. These are quite personal. And yeah, this is when I finally launched my Gadget 101 officially in Gwarimpa, Abuja. This is the cake. Still looks yummy. And yeah, these were my staff back then. They are big boys now. Okay. This was when I got my very first camera, which is still the same camera I'm using right now, October 2022. And then this was the very first time that AI became a thing and everybody was crazy about it. I created this image. That's so horrible. Then this was when I finally improved, got a camera, got a soft box, got lights. So really, it wasn't just about recovering photos. It's that nostalgic good feeling you get when you finally get to see some of the photos and videos, memories that you thought you have lost completely, and you're able to just recover them and go through them once again and get this smile dash like the one you're seeing on my face right now. So if you are like me, who have mistakenly deleted photos, who have lost memories in the past you would like to recover, however you've lost it, why not try out the Dr. Phone application? I will leave a link in the description of this video that you can use to just download it, sign up. Of course, yeah, you get to pay some dollars, but at the end of the day, I think it is worth it when you finally are able to recover those beautiful memories and just peruse them and smile and be happy. Thanks so much for watching. Yeah, and yeah, look out for that video. I don't know if it's going to come before this or after this, but just look out for it. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.